Welcome to the Club Caddie University tutorial series. In today's video, we will walk you through the process of adding a new banquet event. At the end of the series of tutorials, you'll be able to create and manage events within the system. To begin, navigate to the Events tab and select Banquet Manager. This is where you'll find all of your banquet-related functions. Once you're in the Banquet Manager, locate and click on the Add New Event button. Now it's time to add a customer or member associated with the event. This person will be the main point of contact for the event and the go-to person for any inquiries from the golf course. If you do not already have their contact information in the system, simply click the plus button and add the new customer information. Otherwise, if the customer already exists or member, click the magnifying glass icon to search and select them. Now let's name the event. This is how you'll identify it within the system. If it's a private event, you could simply use a last name or the type of event it is. If it's a club event or facility event, you could simply write a description that will be easily recognizable, whatever works best for you. Next, we can add the type of event, like a golf outing or birthday party. Now we'll provide some essential event details. Let's go through them one by one. So next, we'll want to specify the confirmation status, whether it's tentative or confirmed. The venue field, which is for internal notes and won't link to the venue location. We'll take care of that later. Next, we'll want to enter the event date and event times here, and provide a preliminary guest count. You can also input the final guest count later, once it's confirmed. We know these numbers adjust. If you want to add an extra gratuity percentage or service fee, you can do that too. Lastly, you can check if this event is tax exempt, like a charity golf tournament or charity banquet event. It's important to note that the event name, date, and time fields are the only mandatory ones marked with the red asterisk. However, we highly recommend entering as many details as possible to ensure an accurate event management. Once you've entered the necessary details, it's time to save the event. Congratulations, you've successfully created a new banquet event using Club Caddie. In our upcoming videos, we will explore the various options that will now become available to you, such as managing venue, floor plan, menu, add-ons, communication options, and attaching files to the event. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to keep an eye out for the next video where we'll dive deeper into the features of Club Caddie. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to the support team or implementation team. Have a great day and happy planning!